Tofu? So, at the top left we have the Mapo tofu. Top right there's shumai. And then there is the pickled vegetables. And then there's the egg soup at the bottom right. And the white rice at the bottom left. So just to clarify what I'm eating here, so this Mapo tofu that I'm eating is it's quite spicy. There's a lot of spicy peppers inside of it, and yeah, it really helps with your meal because it's spicy, so your appetite gets built up, and rice, it's like a perfect match. It's one of my favorite lunches here that I like to eat. And yeah, I'm done with the lunch here, and we're at the payment area. But yeah, the mood here is very dark. The inside of the place is dark, and yeah, not a lot of lighting. Okay, so this is the inside of the entrance actually to this restaurant. It's a traditional Machio townhouse, very beautiful and old. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe you can come here if you're interested when you visit Kyoto for some traditional Chinese food. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll be uploading another video soon. But yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy that one as well.